Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really important step for anyone building a creative website, how to add a portfolio project on Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a polished, professional-looking showcase for your work, whether you're a photographer, designer, or any type of creator. This is a fantastic way to impress potential clients or employers, so let's not waste any time and jump right in. First up, let's get the portfolio tool set up. On your Wix dashboard, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see an option called Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Wix lets you add extra features to your site, almost like installing apps on your phone. Next, you're going to click Get More Apps. This opens Wix's own little app store. Just type Wix Portfolio into the search bar. Once it pops up in the results, click on it and then hit either Install or Add. The wording may vary slightly, but you want to get this feature attached to your site. Once the Wix Portfolio app is installed, you'll notice a new icon appears on the left pane of your editor. It's now part of your toolkit. Click that, and inside you'll find something called Projects. This is where all your creative work will be stored and organized. Go ahead and give that a click. To start building your collection, click Add Project. This is where the real fun starts. You're beginning to tell your story. Let's walk through adding your first project. You'll be prompted to give your project a title. Think of this like naming a chapter in your creative journey. Maybe it's branding for Green Cafe or 2023 travel photography. A clear, catchy title helps visitors know what they're about to explore and can set the tone for the entire project. Next, it's time to describe your project. Don't just jot down a sentence and move on. Put yourself in the shoes of someone who's never seen your work before. Explain what the project was about, who it was for, maybe what inspired you, or what problems you solved along the way. The more context you give, the more engaging your portfolio becomes. Even a couple of extra lines can turn your project from just a visual slideshow into a narrative that people remember. Now add a bit of basic yet vital information to give your project more structure. Enter the project type, for example. Is it a series of portraits, an app design, a mural, or something else? This helps visitors quickly understand what kind of work they're looking at. Fill in the date. Maybe it was finished in May 2023 or during your last semester at university. Adding a location can also add authenticity or intrigue. For instance, New York City instantly tells a story and might catch the attention of a local client. The next step is where your portfolio really comes to life, adding media. Click the option to upload images, photos, or videos related to this project. Choose files directly from your computer. Select your best work that truly represents what you did. If you've got before and afters, process shots, or finished photos, this is the time to include them. Don't worry if uploading takes a minute or two, especially with large media files. This is absolutely normal. Once your media is uploaded and you've filled in all those key details, congratulations. You've just added a brand new project to your Wix portfolio. What this means is that you now have a dedicated, attractive section of your website that showcases your skills and style to anyone who visits. It's not just a gallery, it's your digital first impression, and every project you add helps build your creative brand. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences with Wix's portfolio feature in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on building your best website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.